Once you've obtained your license key, click on the Go to the App button on the Emotion Statistics dashboard page. Insert your key in the designated field, then click on the code snippet to paste in your web page button. On this page, you can customize the parameters you want the AI to track. Once you've made your choices, copy the code snippet. Paste the generated code into the code of the web page from which you want to gather emotional data and save it. As soon as your page receives its first visit, you'll begin to see the data in real time on the dashboard. Accessing the data is simple. Return to the home page and click on Show Statistics. On the page that opens, you'll be able to see the aggregated data on the emotional response of your web page users.